Hello everybody, it is 1:51 and 8 seconds on June 29th, Friday, June 29th. This is the drawing for the Avengers #1 that Mickey Mouse apparently owned at one point in time. So, there are 40 participants. I'm going to scroll up and down slowly so everybody can see their names filled in. Okay, I'm going to go back down one time. There are a handful of international participants. This is free shipping inside the United States. Should an international person win, they need to pay the shipping cost. Okay, and if you are an international person who wins, I will calculate the shipping cost, let you know. You will send that additional payment, and I will ship out at that point in time. But let's get this thing done first. Number is Yo11. So I'm going to randomize 11 times. Whoever's name appears at the top of the list will win the book. And normally I don't ship on the weekends, but I will try my best to get it out in tomorrow's mail. Worst case scenario, it will ship out on Monday, which I believe is July 2nd. Okay? Here we go. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one. 11, spot 5, John Garner. Congratulations. Time is 1:52 and 53 seconds.